What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and here we go again with another quick little episode of some shop action. I just got some news that we got a 2024 F-250 with a severe issue of DEF contamination, and I wanted to kind of show you guys an example and make you guys aware as to whenever you do guys, if you guys ever run into this issue, why when you get DEF in your fuel system, why it's kind of an issue to try to flush it out. It's always best to replace the system, and I know we always get questions, why do we have to replace the entire system? Why can't we just flush it? And I'm going to show you guys some example as to why you do not want to flush when you get DEF in your fuel. Let's check it out. Here we go. Start off with the fuel tank right here, and as you can tell, DEF right here that spilled onto it has already crystallized, and that fuel tank is full of DEF. We're gonna make our way here to the fuel injectors, high pressure pump, and the rail. There's the truck right there that we're working on today, and let's check it out. So here's our fuel injectors, and as you can tell, we have DEF crystallized already at the tips of those fuel injectors across. And then even at the pump, you can even look inside, and there is DEF crystallized in there as well. And then on our fuel rows, if we dump anything out, you can clearly see DEF in there as well. So we have crystallized particles in our fuel rails, we have it in our pump, we have it on the injectors, and then we even have it on the tank and the lines. This is very dangerous because if you leave any kind of material in this fuel system, you can potentially clog an injector, hang it open, hang it closed. Either way, you will be running into some catastrophic issues on your engine. So to prevent that, it's always best to just replace the entire fuel system. Luckily, most insurances cover these types of repairs, so always get with your shop and kind of discuss that option if it's available to you. I always recommend it. Now, on this bad boy, we are going to be doing some upgrades on the fuel system, and let's check it out. We have the new and improved right there, the S&S diesel fuel DCR kit that we're going to be replacing that CP4 pump with. We're going to be installing this bad boy right here. And then for the rest of the components, we have our fuel system kit from Ford right there. So everything is OEM besides this pump right here. Either way, this 2024 F-250 is going to be ready to go by the time we get done. We are going to flush out the fuel lines with brake cleaner. I know I just talked about don't flush. But what you don't want to flush is the hard components. Obviously, a line that goes through and through can obviously be flushed. We typically flush it, brake cleaner and water, and repeat until it's all out of there. And even after we get everything put in, we tend to back flush just to make sure that there's nothing else hanging in there. So we flush the base lines, we clean out the tank. That fuel filter housing though, however, is a little too filled. We're probably going to replace that filter housing right there, and then clean out the tank, reinstall, and then replace all the fuel system components. Again, if you guys have any questions or concerns on any content that you see here, or if your rig suffers from DEF contamination, feel free to give us a call. We're always willing to help and answer any questions and discuss anything with you. It's the best part of the job. Thank you guys again for all the love and support. Holler at us. Thank you.